So I'm putting in formula A percentage increase, X decrease. 25 minus X minus 25 into X divided by 100 is equal to 0. So from this data, I can definitely get the value of X. So 25 minus X by 4. So that is equal to 0. 25 is equal to 5X by 4. From this data, X value will be equal to 5. X value will be equal to 5 into 4, 20. 5 into 4, 20. So like that, we can apply the successive percentage logic and we can proceed with the solvation. We can apply the successive percentage logic and we can proceed with the solution. This is one way of looking at the question. But doing like this is going to be little time consumption. That is the reason I'm trying to give you one more trick to make the answer choice faster. I'm trying to give you one more trick to make the answer choice faster. So what is the other trick which you can use to make the answer choice faster? We can try to understand here. So what is So you can just understand whenever you see product of two terms is constant, whenever you see product of two terms is constant. Not only this, whatever is the different kinds of terms are available, but if you see product of two terms is constant. So length is increases by 25%. What should be the decrease in breadth? What should be the decrease in breadth to maintain the same area, to maintain the area as same? So because of this, we can say, A percentage is the increase. This is in the form of AB is equal to constant, but only the thing is here A value is length, B value is breadth. Length into breadth is equal to area. They kept area as constant. We learned in AB is equal to constant. If A is increases by 1 by X, B should be decreases by 1 by X plus 1. And I have generalized this by taking any numbers. So length is increased by 25%. What is 25%? 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is an increase. What is a decrease? So 4 is a base, is increased by 1. New base will be 4 plus 1, 5. 1 will be as it is. What is 1 by 5? 20%. So breadth should be decreased by 20%. That's how you can able to make your answer choice. That's how you can able to make your answer choice. I hope you are able to get the point. So very simple. What I'm trying to tell you here is, directly, instead of solving the question, instead of using successive percentage logic, you can use this logic and make your answer choice. Are you getting a clear clarity on this? Please try to tell me. So once you have a clarity on this, please observe the question which is available on the screen. Can you please tell me what is the answer choice? So you don't need to solve anything. So what are the all different cases which you are going to see is not only this length into breadth is equal to area, or price into consumption will be equal to expenditure, or speed into time is equal to distance, or men into days is equal to work. So all these arithmetic questions are having AB is equal to constant form only. All these arithmetic questions are having AB is equal to form only. So you can just observe this and you can make the answer. So that's the reason length into breadth is equal to area. They kept area as constant. Length is increases by 25%. You should aware of fractions and percentages. So 25% means it is going to be 1 by 4 is the increase. 1 by 4 increase will result as what? 1 by 5 decrease. What is 1 by 5? 20%. Mark your answer as option C. I hope you are able to get the point. Are you ready to solve the other questions? Is the screen is visible, my dear students? Look at the next question. Tell me the answer choice for the question. Please observe the question. Tell me what is the answer choice. For solving these questions, I am expecting you to remember the fractions and percentages values which I have given 1 by 1 to 1 by 20. If you remember those, you can feel very comfortable in solving these type of questions now. Otherwise, it will be difficult. Again, the question is based on length and breadth. Again, the question is based on length and breadth. Please observe. What is 9.09? So length is increases by 9.09. So we should understand what is 9.09 value. So 9.09 means we can say 9 and 11 are having a relation. If numerator is 9, denominator is 11. 1 by 11 is an increase. So if the length is increases by 1 by 11, what should be the decrease in breadth to maintain the same area? Same question. 1 by 11 increase will result as what? 1 by 11. On top of 11, there is an increase of 1. 1 by 11 increase will result as 1 by 12 decrease. What is 1 by 12? 1 by 12 is 8.33 percentage, which is available as option C. You can mark it as an answer choice. Similar question, can you tell me the answer? So similar kind of question, but only the thing is it's a relationship between the two candidates is trying to tell you. Salary of A is 25% less than B. A salary is 25% less than B salary. Then B salary is what percentage more than A salary is the question. B salary is what percentage more than A salary is the question. So here instead of giving AB is equal to constant, A to B increase, B to A decrease is given. So what is the decrease, my dear students? It is 25%, 1 by 4. If it is decreased, the other one should be increased. Please be careful here. So decreased by 1 by 4. 4 is decreased by 1. 4 minus 1, new base is going to be 3 and numerator will be as it is. 1 by 3 is 33.33. You can mark it as answer choice. So don't always try to go with the increase. So if it is increase, take increase. If it is decrease, take decrease. So to get a clarity on this, let me show you. I'm taking random numbers and trying to observe, trying to give you the idea. See, for example, if you have anything, if it is increased by 1 by 5, if it is there, what is the decrease? So you can just observe the base. 5 is increased by 1. New base is going to be 6. 1 will be as it is. 1 by 5 increase will result as 1 by 6 decrease. So next, if you have any question, increase is 2 by 3. What is the decrease is the question. Increase is 2 by 3, decrease is the question. So we can say 2 by 3 increase. On top of 3, there is an increase of 2. So 3 plus 2, the new value is 5, 2 will be as it is. For example, if it is a case of decrease, for example, let's assume that there is a decrease of 3 by 4. What is the increase is the question. So 3 by 4 means on top of 4, there is a decrease of 3. 4 is decreased by 3 means the 4 minus 3, the new value is 1 and 3 will be as it is. Let's assume that there is a decrease of 2 by 5. What is the increase is the question. So base 5 is decreased by 2. New base will be 5 minus 2, 3 and 2 will be as it is, like that. Like that you are going to have the different kinds of numbers. So let me show you the other question which is available on the screen so that you will get an idea. Look at the next question which is available on the screen. Can you please tell me what is the answer choice for the question? So please observe the question available on the screen. Nice, very good, good response from the students. So petrol price is increased by 10%. Petrol price is increased by 10%. How much should be the reduction in consumption is the question. 10% means it is 1 by 10. 1 by 10 is an increase. What is the decrease? Base 10 is increased by 1. New base is going to be 10 plus 1, 11. 1 will be as it is. What is 1 by 11 value? 1 by 11 will be 9.09. 9.09. You can mark your answer choice as option C. You can mark your answer choice as option C. I hope you are able to get a clarity. Look at the next question available on the screen. What is the answer choice for the question? So the price of the sugar is decreased by 44.44%. By what percentage should consumption need to be increased so that expenditure remains constant? So that expenditure remains constant. So we can say price into consumption will be equal to expenditure. Price into consumption will be equal to expenditure. So price is decreases by 44.44%, he said. What is 44.44%, my dear students? 44.44%, we can write it as 4 times 11.11%. 11.11%, we can write it as 1 by 9. So price is decreases by 4 by 9 here. Price is decreases by 4 by 9 here. What should be the increase in consumption? So because 4 by 9 is a decrease, there is a base 9, it's decreased by 4. The new base will be 9 minus 4, 5, and 4 will be as it is. 4 by 5 should be the increase in consumption. So 1 by 5 is 20%, 4 by 5 is 80%. Mark your answer choice as option C. I hope you are able to get a clarity. If you clear, let me show you some. But before you are going with AB is equal to constant, make sure that you are good at the fractions and percentages values. Some more practice questions I am keeping on the screen. Look at the question, give the response. What is the answer for the first question? Already we have done. Same question, no change. So let's mark the answer directly. We'll move on to the next one. So length into breadth is equal to area. He said area is same. That means area is constant. What is the length? Length is increased by 9.09. That means 1 by 11. 1 by 11 increase will result as 1 by 12 decrease. That is 8.33. Mark it as the answer choice. Look at the next question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. This is little different from the previous question. All of you please solve and do the respond in the chat box. Do respond in the chat box. Very simple question, but you have to understand what is 37.5 percentage. 37.5 percentage means A is taller than B by 37.5 percentage. A is taller than B by 37.5 percentage. By what percentage B is shorter than A is the question. By what percentage B is shorter than A is the question. So what is 37.5 percentage? Can I write it as like this? I am trying to write it as 3 times 12.5 percentage. So 12.5 percentage is nothing but 1 by 8. So this we can write it as 3 times 1 by 8. 3 times 1 by 8, that is nothing but 3 by 8. So 3 by 8 is nothing but A is taller than B by 3 by 8. Then B is shorter than A by how much is the question. So you can just observe increase is 3 by 8. What is the decrease? Base 8 is increased by 3. 8 plus 3, 11. 3 will be as it is. So 3 by 11 is a decrease. So 3 by 11 means 1 by 11, 9.09. 3 by 11 will be 27.27 percentage, available as option D. Available as option D. Look at the next question available on the screen. What is the answer, my dear students? So very simple data. Only the thing is you have to get a clarity. A number is first decreased by X percentage. Then again it is increased by 28.57. What is this number? You have to get a clarity. If you remember, 1 by 7 is going to be what? 1 by 7 is going to be 14.28 percentage, if you remember. So this is exactly double of it, 28.56. That means if you multiply everything with the 2, then we can write 2 by 7 will be equal to 28.56. 28.56. So actually 28.56, it will be keep going. So that's why they just terminated it as 28.57. 28.57. So that means 2 by 7 is an increase. 2 by 7 is an increase. What is a decrease? 7 is increased by 2. New base is 9. 2, 7 plus 2, 9. 2 will be as it is. 2 by 9 is a decrease. What is 2 by 9? 1 by 9 will be 11.11. 2 by 9 will be 22.22 percentage, which is available as option D. You can mark it as an answer choice. Which is available as option D. You can mark it as an answer choice. I hope you are able to get the point. Very simple thing, but only the thing is you have to you should have an idea. You should have an idea of that so that you can able to make the answer. Look at the next question which is available on the screen. Tell me the answer. Which we already done. Salary of A is decreases by 25 percentage. That means 1 by 4 is a decrease. What should be the increase? Base 4 is decreased by 1. New base will be 3. 1 will be as it is. Answer is 33.33 percentage. Answer is 33.33 percentage. Look at the next question available on the screen. This also we have done. Price into consumption will be equal to expenditure. They kept expenditure as a constant. They kept expenditure as constant. Because expenditure is a constant here, price is increased by 1 by 10. 1 by 10 increase. On top of 10, there is an increase of 1. New base is 11. 1 by 11 is a decrease. What is 1 by 11? 9.09 percentage, which is available as option C. You can mark it as answer choice. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Similar question, tell me the answer. Similar question, but only the thing manpower into time taken will be the total work. So there is a decrease in production by 25%. 1 by 4 is a decrease. What should be the increase? 4 on top of 4, there is a decrease of 1. So 1 by 4 increase will result as 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is 33.33. 1 by 3 is 33.33. You can mark it as an answer choice. What is the answer for this question, which we have already done? Look at this question, repeated question. So very simple question. How to tackle this type of question using AB is equal to constant? We'll try to understand. Walking at 3 by 5 of usual speed, I am late by 12 minutes. What is the actual time to reach is the question. So how to tackle this type of question, we'll try to understand once. So I'm just taking the given data here. Let me show you. So what is the given question is walking at 3 by 5 of usual speed, I'm late by 12 minutes. How much time is required to reach the office on time? So walking at, I'm just writing, walking at 3 by 5 of usual speed, he is late by 12 minutes. What is the actual time? This is the question. I'm again showing the question. Please observe the question. Walking at 3 by 5 of usual speed, walking at 3 by 5 of usual speed, I am late by 12 minutes. How much time it takes to reach the office on time in terms of minutes? So that is fine. So that's what I have taken here, my dear students. So I'm just trying to observe. I'm trying to solve this question as like this. For example, if the person is walking at his regular speed, he might reach the destination. He might reach the destination in a regular time of t. But as per the data, he is moving with 3 by 5 of usual speed and he is late by 12 minutes. Because he is late by 12 minutes, I am taking 12 minutes late as a t plus 12. 12 minutes late as a t plus 12. T plus 12, why I am taking t plus 12 is t plus 12 indicates on top of the actual time, there is 12 minutes extra. But there is one common thing in these two, that is nothing but the traveling distance is constant. No matter whatever is the speed, the traveling distance is constant. Because the traveling distance is constant, you can just observe the distance traveled in the first case must be equal to distance traveled in the second case. Distance is nothing but speed into time. In the first case, s into t, and in the second case, 3 by 5 into s into t plus 12 into t plus 12. So if you can observe, t and s will be gets cancelled. If you bring 5 to this side, 5t will be equal to 3t plus 36. So from this data, I can say 2t will be equal to 36. From this data, t will be equal to 18. So I can say the actual time taken will be equal to 18 minutes. I can say the actual time taken will be equal to 18 minutes. That's how we can able to tackle the question. So that is one way of looking at the question. Or other way, you can just observe speed into time is distance, right? What is constant here? Distance is constant. That means it is also in the form of A into B is equal to constant. Application of the same. A into B is equal to constant. Because it is in the form of A into B is equal to constant, what I am trying to do here is, so walking at 3 by 5 of usual speed. What is the meaning of 3 by 5 of usual speed? The base speed is 5, but he is going at 3. So instead of going with 5, we are going with 3 means on top of 5, there is a decrease of 2. On top of 5, there is a decrease of 2. 2 by 5 is a decrease in speed. 2 by 5 is a decrease in speed means what should be the increase in time? On top of 5, there is a decrease of 2. That means the new base is going to be 3 and 2 will be as it is. 2 by 3 is the increase in time. That time is given as 12 minutes. You can observe late by 12 minutes. So 2 by 3 increase in time is 12 minutes means the actual time will be equal to 6 into 3, 18 minutes, available as option C. Both the ways is fine. So the first way is we have solved like this. Speed into time in the first case is must be equal to 3 by 5 of speed into time t plus 12. So from this data, S and S will be gets cancelled. 5t is equal to 3t plus 12. So 12 into 3, 36. So 2t is equal to 36 means so t is equal to 18. So this is one way. So this is applying time speed distance logic. The other way is you can apply AB is equal to constant logic also here. So 3 by 5 of usual speed, that means 3 by 5 of usual speed, that means base speed is 5, but you are moving at 3. That means speed is basically decreased. If speed decreases, what happens to the time? Obviously increases, no doubt in this. Speed decreases, then the time will be increases. Speed decreases, then the time will be increases. So 3 by 5 means on top of 5, there is a decrease of 2. So 2 by 5 is a decrease. What is in the speed? What is the increase? 5 is decreased by 2 means new base is 3. 2 will be as it is. This is increase in time. This is equal to 12 minutes. 2 ones are 2 6 are. T is equal to 6 into 3, 18 minutes. Which is available as option C. Mark it as answer choice. Which is available as option C. Mark it as answer choice. I hope it is clear. That's how we can able to see the questions. Yeah, I'll do that.